We are Hellos, and we are developing this platform or app called Dobby. Dobby is a AI-driven, zero-touch, and fully digital home maintenance app for homeowners, and we are primarily targeting single-family homeowners. So they are our users. Now, here is the unique part. We are distributing this platform through property insurance companies. So they are the buyers. And why it is a critically important problem for property insurance, when we actually give you policy for the homeowners, we don't know what happened after that in your life, how you maintain your home, what are the things that are getting changed. So for years, we tried to solve this customer engagement problem. And with Dobby, we plan to solve that problem. So homeowners, they are getting an app that will help them to outsource all things home maintenance. And the buyers, the insurance side, they will get to do the customer engagement and get more data to build better product and fraud prevention and all those things. So that's what we're doing.
So is there a monitoring element of this? And if so, is it tapping into like cameras in the home to monitor a property? Talk to me about the logistics and how this all breaks down.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great question. So it's broken down into three parts. The very first one is a preventive maintenance. So as insurance company distribute this to their policyholders, we start the engagement with someone coming to your house and do an inventory and the home maintenance, preventive one, almost going to a dentist for an annual checkup and things like that. We get that property inspection report and we then create a short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals for the homeowners. So that's the first piece, preventive. Second one is the on-demand. So what happens actually, you don't know when something may be broken, like water pipe or something like that. You open the Dobby app and you submit the request, and we send a handyman or plumber, whatever needed, to you in the next 24 hours. So that's the second piece. Third piece is what is your actual question. That is, we are tapping into property data, weather data, and many different data sources, applying simple logic to advanced machine learning and telling people what to fix and when. And that's we are also tracking who is regularly maintaining their home and things like that. The smart home piece is there. We are already integrated with Google Home and Samsung, and over time we'll be adding more open API devices as such.
So if I understand that correctly, just to wrap up,
Yep.
The app itself is free. You're making money through an agreement through insurance companies. So are you working with any insurance companies? If so, how many are on your network?
Yep. So we started last year. We launched the product, and now we are working with 2 insurance companies. In the US, one of the top 5 homeowners insurance companies, and in the Canada, there is this large mortgage bank as well as insurance company. They are also working with us. So we are running 2 POCs right now, and hope to complete those in the next quarter this year and then the following year.
Great. Thanks so much for joining me on stage.
Thank you.